Well, the plows were out today working hard trying to keep up with the accumulating snow. 22 News reporter Mike Mascadrelli joins us from our Franklin County Bureau to tell us why it's important to give those plows enough space.
The governor has a saying, don't crowd the plows. When it snows hard like this, you want to take it slow, especially around the plows working to keep the roads clear. Tuesday's nor'easter dumped more than a foot of snow across western Massachusetts, making this the biggest storm this winter. Despite all the warnings, many residents were unprepared.
I didn't expect it, didn't get ready, so I needed some gas for my snowblower. Don't want to shovel.
If you were out driving Tuesday, you most likely shared the snow-covered roads with the plows. The Greenfield DPW had 26 plows out working to keep up with the accumulating snow. They focused on clearing the main and secondary roads, including Main Street, High Street, and Silver and Federal Streets. You have to keep your distance. Driving in a snowstorm is not easy, so if you're out on the road, be careful, and if you run into a plow, give them enough space to do their job.
You don't want to crowd the plow. They're just trying to clean the roads for you. You know, if you're trying to get past them, you're just asking for an accident.
We don't travel very fast. We try to keep it around 25 miles an hour. But we have had accidents where people have slid into the back of our vehicles.
Willette urges you to go slow near the plows in a snowstorm and keep a light foot on your brakes. And if you can, keep the driving to a minimum. Willette said if you're too close to the plow, you might not be able to stop in time if they slow down to avoid something in the road. Live from the Franklin County Bureau in Greenfield, Mike Mascadrelli, 22 News.